What is the basic living unit of life that makes up the human body? A. Organelles. B. Tissues. C. Cells. D. Organs. Answer: C. Cells. Which of the following is not a primary tissue type in the human body? A. Epithelial tissue. B. Connective tissue. C. Muscular tissue. D. Vascular tissue. Answer: D. Vascular tissue. The nucleus of a cell is important because it A. Stores energy in the form of fat. B. Acts as the brain center of the cell to direct activities. C. Transports food and oxygen to all body parts. D. Provides framework and support like cartilage. Answer: B. Acts as the brain center of the cell to direct activities. Which body system is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body? A. Nervous system. B. Respiratory system. C. Circulatory system. D. Excretory system. Answer: C. Circulatory system. What is the function of the synovial membrane in joints? A. It produces synovial fluid to lubricate joint surfaces. B. It connects a muscle to a bone. C. It connects bone to another bone. D. It replaces cartilage with bone in a process called ossification. Answer: A. It produces synovial fluid to lubricate joint surfaces. Which type of joint allows for a turning motion, such as rotating the palm of a hand up and down? A. Gliding joint. B. Ball and socket joint. C. Pivot joint. D. Hinge joint. Answer: C. Pivot joint. The process by which cartilage is replaced by bone is known as A. Synovial fluid secretion. B. Ossification. C. Periosteum development. D. Spongy bone formation. Answer: B. Ossification. Which of the following is not a function of the skeletal system? A. To produce blood cells. B. To allow movement. C. To store nutrients. D. To store calcium. Answer: C. To store nutrients. What is the role of fascia in the muscular system? A. It contracts to move the body. B. It secretes synovial fluid. C. It bundles muscle fibers together. D. It attaches muscle to bone. Answer: C. It bundles muscle fibers together. Which type of muscle tissue can be consciously controlled? A. Cardiac muscle. B. Smooth muscle. C. Skeletal muscle. D. None of the above. Answer: C. Skeletal muscle. Cardiac muscle tissue is characterized by A. Long, thin fibers that run parallel to each other. B. Thin, flat sheets of tissue that make up organs. C. The ability to be controlled consciously like skeletal muscle. D. Woven mesh fibers that strengthen the heart. Answer: D. Woven mesh fibers that strengthen the heart. A fasciotomy is performed to A. Repair torn muscle or tendon. B. Relieve pressure from an injured or swollen muscle. C. Rebuild a ligament in the knee. D. Treat fractures with extensive tissue damage. Answer: B. Relieve pressure from an injured or swollen muscle. Which part of the brain controls voluntary muscle contractions and receives information from the senses? A. Brainstem. B. Cerebellum. C. Cerebrum. D. Medulla oblongata. Answer: C. Cerebrum. The cerebellum is primarily responsible for A. Controlling automatic body functions like heartbeat and breathing. B. Managing nerve impulses for thinking and remembering. C. Adjusting motor impulses for muscular coordination, balance, and posture. D. Processing visual information. Answer: C. Adjusting motor impulses for muscular coordination, balance, and posture. What is the role of the pupil in the eye? A. To provide nourishment via blood vessels. B. To focus light rays to produce images. C. To protect the eye as the outer coat. D. To control the amount of light entering the eye. Answer: D. To control the amount of light entering the eye. What is the function of the receptors located in the retina of the eye? A. To control the amount of light that enters the eye. B. To nourish the eye via blood vessels. C. To receive and transmit light impressions to the brain. D. To give the eyeball its round shape. Answer: C. To receive and transmit light impressions to the brain. The role of the cochlea in the ear is to A. Regulate body balance. B. Transmit vibrations directly to the brain. C. Transform sound vibrations into nerve impulses. D. Serve as a funnel to gather sound waves. Answer: A. Transform sound vibrations into nerve impulses. What are the primary chemical senses mentioned in the script? A. Sight and touch. B. Smell and taste. C. Hearing and balance. D. Pain and pressure. Answer: B. Smell and taste. What is the primary function of the endocrine system? A. To provide structural support to the body. B. To control bodily functions through the release of hormones. C. To coordinate immediate physical responses. D. To facilitate muscle contractions. Answer: B. To control bodily functions through the release of hormones. How do hormones reach their target organs or tissues? A. Through the nervous system. B. By direct transfer from the glands. C. Through the circulatory system via the bloodstream. D. Via the lymphatic system. Answer: C. Through the circulatory system via the bloodstream. Which gland is known as the master gland of the endocrine system? A. Thyroid gland. B. Adrenal gland. C. Pituitary gland. D. Pancreas. Answer: C. Pituitary gland. What is the role of adrenaline released by the adrenal glands? A. To decrease heart rate and physical strength. B. To regulate metabolism and calcium levels. C. To increase heart rate and physical strength during stress. D. To decrease blood sugar levels. Answer: C. To increase heart rate and physical strength during stress. Which of the following statements best describes the process of fertilization? A. The fusion of two somatic cells to form a new organism. B. The joining of a sperm and an ovum to form a zygote. C. The division of a single cell into two identical daughter cells. D. The removal of genetic material from the ovum by the sperm. Answer: B. The joining of a sperm and an ovum to form a zygote. A radical prostatectomy involves A. Removal of only the diseased part of the prostate. B. Removal of the prostate gland through an abdominal incision. C. Biopsy of the bladder without removal of any prostate tissue. D. Removal of the seminal vesicles without affecting the prostate. Answer B. Removal of the prostate gland through an abdominal incision. In a bilateral salpingo-oophorectomy, BSO, what is removed? A. The uterus and the cervix. B. The ovaries and the uterus. C. The fallopian tubes and the ovaries. D. The endometrial lining and the fallopian tubes. Answer C. The fallopian tubes and the ovaries. The average adult may excrete between of urine during a 24-hour period. A. 100 to 300 cc's. B. 500 to 800 cc's. C. 1000 to 1800 cc's. D. 2000 to 2500 cc's. Answer C. 1000 to 1800 cc's. In males, the urethra is approximately A. 4 cm long. B. 27 cm long. C. 15 cm long. D. 20 cm long. Answer D. 20 cm long. Which surgical procedure involves crushing stones in the kidney? A. Nephrectomy. B. Lithotripsy. C. Cystoscopy. D. Vasectomy. Answer B. Lithotripsy. What is the capacity of the average adult human bladder? A. 100 to 200 cc's. B. 300 to 500 cc's. C. 600 to 800 cc's. D. 900 to 1100 cc's. Answer B. 300 to 500 cc's. The liver has multiple functions. One of them is A. Neutralizing toxins. B. Producing urine. C. Filtering lymph. D. Synthesizing adrenaline. Answer A. Neutralizing toxins. The main passageway for air to travel from the trachea to the lungs is the A. Larynx. B. Bronchi. C. Pharynx. D. Alveoli. Answer B. Bronchi. What is the role of the pleura in the respiratory system? A. It contracts and causes the chest cavity to expand. B. It is the main organ where the exchange of gases occurs. C. It secretes a lubricating fluid that permits smooth lung movement. D. It is a muscle located below the lungs. Answer C. It secretes a lubricating fluid that permits smooth lung movement. A gastric bypass procedure is typically performed to treat A. Morbid obesity. B. Heart disease. C. Gallstones. D. Blood clots. Answer A. Morbid obesity. What is the main function of the circulatory system? A. To process food into energy. B. To control body temperature. C. To transport nutrients and oxygen to cells. D. To support the body's movement. Answer C. To transport nutrients and oxygen to cells. The heart's pacemaker is located in which region? A. Upper left side. B. Upper right side. C. Lower left side. D. Lower right side. Answer B. Upper right side. After blood is oxygenated in the lungs, where does it go next? A. Directly to the body tissues. B. Back to the right atrium. C. Into the left atrium. D. Through the aortic valve. Answer: C. Into the left atrium. How many times harder does the left ventricle work compared to the right ventricle? A. 2 times. B. 4 times. C. 6 times. D. 8 times. Answer: C. 6 times. What is the purpose of a carotid endarterectomy? A. To repair a damaged heart valve. B. To remove plaque from the carotid artery. C. To bypass a blocked coronary artery. D. To replace a weakened section of the aorta. Answer: B. To remove plaque from the carotid artery. Which of the following instruments is designed for the vaginal area? A. Vaginal speculum. B. Bulb forceps. C. Lacrimal duct probes. D. Brain spatula. Answer: A. Vaginal speculum. The grand orchestral maneuver metaphor in the conclusion refers to A. The complexity of surgical instruments. B. The coordinated function of the body's systems. C. The process of performing a surgical procedure. D. The structure of the central service department. Answer: B. The coordinated function of the body's systems.